All right. Now these are the actual Dover elevators here at what's the something Salisbury?
Lot 76.
Lot 76.
75 or 76, 1 to 2.
Yep, these are definitely Dover.
It's a little brighter in here now.
Oh, would you look at that? The door open button is stuck.
Go to 5. It's a little brighter in here now.
Installed in 1992. Indicators completely burned out. Oh, that's slam. These are lovely. These go so fast. Before we go, check this out. It's got the bumper. It takes a while to respond. And now it takes a while to close. There's the indicator. There it goes. These doors are so fast. Indicator is completely burnt out on this elevator car as well.
I'm gonna go take the steps down. I'll race you down.
Okay. This is in the same garage where I filmed the Ask elevator the other day. And these things sound lovely. Here's your phone. That lantern works. It's gonna take a long while for it to close unless you hit the button. But anyways, there it goes. And just bumped to the trash can. Air! Alex, you really have to do that in a garage?
Here.
But anyways, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.